Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use TrouDigital's integrated templates. To get started, head over to the Creatives tab and then click the Create from Template button. From here, the studio will load up all the templates accessible to your account. As you can see, there's a wide variety to choose from, so pick one that meets your design requirements. For example, it might be this Your Message one down here. To select a template, click the plus icon, and the studio will load up your template into the design canvas. From here, all the elements that you can see on the template will be editable. For example, if you want to change the text, you can do. If you want to change the body text, you can do, and even the image itself. And of course, any widgets you wanted to add on top, for example, if you wanted to add a newsfeed at the bottom, just as the same as your other designs, you can do that as well. So for example, if you wanted that going across at the bottom, we can do so. And that's really all there is to it. When you finish using your template and creating your design, simply give it a name, save it, and then apply it to your screens. If I hit preview now, you can see the template loads up as is with our added element of the RSS feed at the bottom, and it's working well. So have fun designing and using our templates, and of course, if there are any templates that you wish we did have that you want to be using in your designs, please let us know at support@TrouDigital.com, and we can work on integrating those with our studio as well. Thank you.